Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Network and Internet or Connections. This gets you into the right menu fast. Tap Hotspot and Tethering and then Mobile Hotspot or Portable Hotspot. Once the hotspot screen appears, make sure the hotspot is off before changing password to avoid connection glitches. You're preparing the field. Check the hotspot name and current security type so you can replace the password cleanly and avoid accidental lockouts. Now you tap Configure or Set up Wi-Fi hotspot where the SSID and password fields live. You should select WPA2 Personal for security. This protects devices connecting to you. Type a new password of at least 8 characters. Include letters and numbers for strength. Once entered, tap Save or Apply. Make sure you note the exact password. When you turn the hotspot on, connected devices will need the updated password to join. So prepare. After saving, enable the hotspot and verify the SSID shown matches what you expect. You should immediately test by connecting one device using the new password. This confirms success. If a device fails to connect, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then try again. Many issues clear with a simple reset. If problems persist, reboot your phone and re-enter the password on the client device. This one troubleshooting tip resolves most connection and caching problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.